Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, today I'm gonna be reviewing Innisfree Aloe Revital Soothing Gel. Now, we all know the importance of aloe vera for skin, for hair, and how good aloe vera is even for our body. A lot of people also drink aloe vera juice. It's very good for skin especially, but a lot of us would not have it handy. We would not have an aloe vera plant with us all the time and around us, so we need an aloe vera gel basically, which should be pure and which should have the maximum aloe vera content and should be good for skin as well, and from a brand that we can trust. So today I am gonna be reviewing Innisfree Aloe Revital Soothing Gel, such a huge tube. So without any further ado, let's get started. This huge tube contains 300 ml of product and retails for 550 rupees. It's a large quantity. It's a very big quantity if you ask me, for the price that it comes up with. Now let's talk about the packaging of this product a little bit. It's kind of a squeezy large tube and it comes with a cap here. You open the cap and you take out the product. I'm going to show you the product on my hand first. Let's see how the product is. It's like a white jelly if you ask me, and it's not very runny. It's kind of very thick in consistency, and when I try to blend it, I'm gonna blend it before you guys so you can see how this is. It blends like water. When you try blending it, it's not thick. It would blend into your skin like water, and it would peek into your skin in like 30 seconds maximum, and you would have that hydrated feeling on your skin, the way I am right now feeling. I'm also going to show you in the later part of the video how it actually got blended into my skin on my face. I use this aloe vera gel at night and in the morning time as well. Every day at night, this has to be there in my on my face. Now I use the chemical exfoliant twice a week, Pixi Glow Tonic. I have already reviewed it on my channel. If you haven't checked it out, you're missing on a lot. Please go check it out. You really need to see that. I'm gonna put the link somewhere on the screen. Now this aloe vera gel is a must when you apply a chemical exfoliant, so from then I started using this, and I have felt a glow on my skin. So whenever, even if I don't feel like applying any kind of moisturizer on face, loads of moisturizer, because I'm kind of a oily to combination skin type person, and loads of moisturizer sometimes makes me feel oily and all. So when I don't even feel like applying a lot of skincare products on my face, I just use this aloe vera gel on my skin and I leave it and I let it be. Even if I'm going out and I don't want to apply or put a lot of products on my face, I just use this aloe vera gel and I'm good to go out. Now after whenever I use this on its own, just aloe vera gel on its own, I always find a change after I wash it, maybe after 12 hours or something, or when I sleep with just this aloe vera gel at night, and when I wake up in the morning, I find a glowy, hydrated face, to be honest. And I'm not exaggerating even a bit about it, because we all know how good aloe vera is for skin, and this one has helped my skin shine, glow, and the hydration in my skin basically. Now Innisfree is a Korean brand, we all know, and it has been available in India for quite some time. Innisfree has got its stores in India, in I guess metros, not everywhere, but online you can get it on Nykaa. This is readily available on Nykaa. Let's see what Innisfree has to say about this product. A special skin vitalizing Jeju Aloe Complex. It moisturizes the skin with the essence extracted from aloe flesh. This aloe flesh prevents loss of moisture and strengthens the skin barrier with made cassoid, and in doing so revitalizes the skin. Formulated Jeju aloe fresh extract. Aloe flesh contains more amino acids and moisture than its peels, which helps soothe and energize the look over tired, stressed skin, leaving skin traced with a refreshing scent of aloe vera. Soothes and strengthens skin barrier at the same time, made with aloe revitalizing energy. Our unique blend of Jeju aloe Medicacoid, a plant-derived ingredient that helps to calm the look of skin, improve its natural moisture barrier function. Multi-use gel, it can be used in all areas of the body irritated by external factors and in need of intensive moisturization, including the face, arms and legs. Now let's see the uses of aloe vera. I would suggest, if you have an aloe vera gel and if you're someone who really likes to soothe and calm your skin, you can keep it in your refrigerator and can take it out, take a little bit and apply it under your eyes or on your face. It would give you that cooling sensation on your face and you would feel really relaxed, trust me. Now let's see the uses of aloe vera, how it can be used. I have listed down 10 uses of aloe vera, so let's start with the first one. You can use it as a normal moisturizer in daytime and nighttime the way I do. You can skip your moisturizer. It would add the required hydration for your skin, so it's a very good thing for using it as a moisturizer. You can use it, and you definitely should use it after using a chemical exfoliant. If you're someone who is using chemical exfoliation for your face, then aloe vera gel is a must after you apply it, because after you use your chemical exfoliant you cannot apply anything else. The chemicals might get mixed up and might react on your skin, but after the chemical exfoliant application, leave it up for about 10-15 minutes and then apply your aloe vera gel. Now when your skin feels dehydrated somewhere or feels dry and patchy, or the skin is coming off, you can use this aloe vera gel there for hydration, and that skin would heal from there. It would turn normal. Now fourth point, because aloe vera gel has cooling properties, as we all know, it helps to cure and treat sunburn on your face, on your hands and legs if you face any. Fifth point, it fights skin aging. We all know it is obviously would, because aloe vera gel has been used by my moms and my mom's mom and her mom. They all would have used aloe vera gel in their life, and it is a great thing for your skin and hair. It's an anti-aging kind of thing for your skin. No doubt everyone gets wrinkles someday or the other, but if you should get it by 45, maybe that can reduce it to 40. That is what this can do. Sixth point, when you get infections on your face or acne or blemishes or kind of thing, or some kind of infections like white pimple that comes up with, if you apply aloe vera gel, it would reduce the infection on your face and it would treat it. Seventh point, when you have wound on your face, on your hands, legs, anywhere on your body, if you apply aloe vera gel, it actually helps healing your wounds very soon. Eighth point, it lightens the blemishes on your face, and I have felt it, guys, trust me on this. I have literally felt it by using aloe vera gel and day in and day out. I have literally felt my blemishes lightening. Ninth point, it helps in hair growth if you use it on the scalp, which is true. A lot of people have used aloe vera for your hair, for your scalp, for your hair growth, because your scalp needs that nourishment that your skin as well needs for hydration and nourishment kind of thing. So when your scalp feels hydrated and nourished, your hair starts growing. Now all of us have used this. I have used it tons of time. My mom has used this on me tons of times. Now the ninth point would be, it acts as a conditioner for your hair. Yes, it does. Before shampooing your hair, if you apply aloe vera gel on your hair, let it sit for about an hour maybe, and then go shampoo your hair and do not condition it after that, you would actually feel your hair soft. It's silky soft and conditioned and, you know, detangled kind of thing. It maintains the vitality and shine of your hair. So that was all the 10 points that I thought would be helpful for the use of aloe vera gel, and that was my short review on Innisfree Aloe Revital Soothing Gel. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.